Welcome to Blue Baron Truck Mounts here in Holiday, Florida. This video is to show you why we think our truck mounts are way better than what you see out there as far as competition. And the first thing I want to do is point out the frame. The frame is open concept. There's very low heat buildup. It's easy to maintain. Pull a belt out, fix whatever you need to fix down the road. The belts won't wear out as fast because there's easy breathe, easy for the air to flow over the components and keep everything safe and last a lot longer, especially your engine and blower, your water pump. All of these expensive components you want to see last a long time. So you want ease of maintenance, you want to have the whole truck mount last a long time, you want to be able to breathe. The second thing is the frame underneath here. So we don't have louvered covers, we have open concept, but not only that, but our base plate is quarter plate. It's all powder coated, TIG welded, infrastructured on the front panel, which many companies leave out. They make it look cheap. This is a very well finished, well organized, easy to get into the components truck mount. You want a belt, change out that doesn't last you 2 or 3 hours. You want to do it in 15 to 20 minutes. Everything's easy to get under here, so you don't have to fight through louvered covers to loosen up bolts, to loosen up the pump or the blower. So everything is just much easier to maintain and fix if you have to. But we've had a very good repair record. 17 years building, I know what I'm doing, because it takes a lot to make sure that the design is laid out in a way that makes it easy for the end user to use, operate, and just to do all the things that they need to do to keep it running. So it's very easy to work on. You don't need the stress of taking it to a place that that has you pick a number and then you have to wait, and by the time you're done, you're spending tons of money just to do a simple belt change out. And by the way, these are the same belt sizes for both the blower and water pump. Real easy to change out. You got your alignment tool over there. You've got your pull back to give perfect tension. Same thing for the blower. Right here is your alignment, and here's your pull back, all built into the frame. All fully TIG welded. Construction is just absolute maxed out with quality. So we take a lot of pride in what we do. It's all handcrafted. We have another facility in Lecanto, which we call Factory Number 2, which we have my sons and another TIG welder who's experienced in 10 years TIG welding. And it's going to be just doing frames. And then the final assembly, after it's been powder coated, will come down here to Holiday, Florida, Factory Number 1. This is the very first factory building that we had started in order to do all this assembly and fabrication. But it's going to run more efficiently and more time saving for the customer. The key is to get the unit assembled efficiently, tested fully, and shipped right to the customer's door so they can start making money. Okay, so the next thing is the heat exchanger. This is a patented design that's been in existence since 2007. And it's in a series of spiral coils which allow quick absorption of heat. Other conventional heaters are either tube and shell, which is a very inefficient way of heating the water. It would be like saying, you take a large pan of water on a stove versus a small pan, which is going to heat faster. So here we have tubing where we carry the water in high pressure stainless tubing, 3,500 pounds pressure rated. And you could even go 10% over that, close to 4, and you're still not going to have issues. These are very, very well constructed units. Our patented design has been taken off since 2007, sold all over the world, these fine heat exchangers, and to fit varying different types of truck mounts. We particularly focus on the aftermarkets for the pro-chem industry when they had the 405s and the Bruins and the Legends. We also build for that industry as well. So a lot goes into this unit. And as you can see, everything's stainless, everything's well put together, everything's organized. You've got pulsation dampening, you've got your pump drain out for your water pump, you've got another one for your crankcase oil, Easy to get to the filter, easy to change out your oil and add to your oil, check your oil level. Everything is just so easy to get to. That's why, you know, like I said, we build with pride, and we build our subwells to a higher capacity than conventional competition, which is usually 70 gallons is 105 gallons. So just look at it. I mean, everything is just so nicely put together, labeled, easy to work on, easy to operate, super great heat. These heat exchangers just well surpass competition, and everybody knows it. I've been in this industry for a long time, and I've been building for 17 years. And just look at the quality of the stainless. The belts are all the same size, so it's very easy to order belts online at truckmountstore.com. We use the Kohler engines, and we've used the Honda as well in the Vanguard, but we predominantly have used a lot of the Kohler engines because of the fact that we are a Kohler dealer. So here we have everything there is for you for a very, very low price in comparison. We've kept our pricing down. It won't remain that way for very long because the metals industry, the stainless has gone up, carbon steel, and all the parts and engines and blowers and fittings and everything and hoses, everything has gone up. We've kept the price low for a very short period of time. So if you're interested, call us today at 727-505-2989 or look us up online at truckmountstore.com 24/7. My name is Pete. We're also open on Saturdays. Thank you.